The September edition of The Well-Appointed Life was truly radiant and triumphant, indisputably the most successful, verifiable auction of the season, delivering once again world record results. We are proud to announce the sale of Anita Cabigting's Afternoon with Rothko, which achieved a world record price of 22.19 million pesos, delivering a new benchmark for the artist, as well as a new benchmark for a contemporary Filipino Salcedo auctions, was also the venue for the sale of an important work by national artist Fernando Amorsolo with his 1939 masterpiece, realizing almost 9.5 million pesos. The modernist masters also did very well in this sale, with national artist BenCab leading the charge with his canvas work Sabel, reaching close to 9 million pesos, alongside his mother and child from 1991, Mauro Malang Santos, continues to enjoy strong demand, with his vendors commanding 8.7 million pesos, a mother and child reaching over 2.3 million pesos, and a smaller sleeping woman reaching over 1 million. Anita Magsaysay-Ho was another surprise for a work at an early period, which soared to over 5.6 million pesos, a remarkable 1,700% increase above its low estimate. The work of Fernando Sabel also sold at over 4 million pesos. Contemporary art underscored the importance of discernment, with Lianben's Inner Voice reaching over 5.2 million pesos. Pacita Abad's National Museum of Indonesia and cover piece work entitled Pandu, Dewanata exceeded all expectations. Again, the modernists doing extremely well on the auction floor, with the Revelation P of national artist H.R. Ocampo, Jose Hoya's Black Magic reaching almost 3 million pesos. The Connoisseur collection, consisting of fine furniture and ecclesiastical art, also continues to soar, with the early 19th century ivory San Miguel Arcangel, the same price achieved for an elegant serpentine front Baliwag Sheraton altar table. The works from the collection of distinguished fashion designer Oji Cordero and design stalwart Johnny Ramirez, all doing exceedingly well at auction. Once again, on behalf of the team at Salcedo Auctions, I would like to thank all of you as we remain steadfast and strong as the barometer of the Philippine art market. We invite you to consign to our November sale, the Under the Tree, the Wishlist sale in November 2025.